Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a YouTube bot inside Python Selenium, and inside this we will be extracting the title of the video, the likes of the video, description, the subscribers, all the stuff, and also the comments which appear inside the video. So we will be storing this inside CSV file and HTML table. So let me just show you a very basic example here. So this is the Python script here. So it is making use of a automated framework which is used for web scraping, which is Selenium. So if I just show you inside this comments.csv file, you will see all the comments are scraped here from the YouTube video. You will see this is the username of the user, and this is the actual comment which is made here. How much traffic? Ashutosh Kumar. You will see all these persons' name have been successfully scraped from the YouTube video, and also we will be scraping the basic information, which is basic info, which is the title of the YouTube channel, the number of views that he's got, the date, channel name, subscriber, description. So all these stuff we will be scraping from a YouTube video. So inside this, so let me show you a very basic demo of this script here. Let me delete these two files. So let me delete this. So let me take a example of any video. Let's suppose I take the example of one of my videos here of my channel, which is famous. So let's suppose I take the example of if I type here coding Shiksha, and let's suppose I take the example of this video, which is very popular in my channel. So this is a video I take here. So simply what it will do is that it will scrape the title of this YouTube video. It will scrape the total number of views it got, the published date, the channel name, subscribers, how much subscribers it has. It will also scrape the description, and it will also scrape all the comments which are made here inside this video. So let me just show you how it is done. So simply I need to copy paste the link of this video. Simply I will paste it inside my, you can see inside this, if I will call this script here python main.py, this is the actual script, and then I will paste this link here of the video. That's it. And then I need to press enter. So now it will happen, it will open this window inside automatically, it will open it, and now it will scrape all the stuff which are there inside this. You will see it will automatically scroll down to scrape all the comments which are there. So automatically it will scrape all the comments. It will scroll down. You will see it is, this is Selenium. It is automatically doing the stuff. So when people is watching the stream out there, so we are scraping YouTube comments, YouTube title. So you will see all the things have been successfully scraped. And now if I show you, these of files are being made here. You will see this is the title. This is the views, date, channel name, subscribers, and description. It is now stored inside this. You will see that this is a title. This is the number of views which are scraped. You will see 185,000. Then we have is our published date, channel name, which is coding Shiksha. Subscribers, you can see here 20,500 subscribers. And then the short little description. You will see that coding Shiksha, what is AJAX. And now if you want to see this information in a table, we can convert the CSV file into a table using Pandas library. So if I show you this inside a table, you will see this is a table like structure. So it is holding the title of the video, number of views it got, the date, the channel name, the subscribers, and this is a description. So this, you can do this for any video if you just want to paste the link inside the script. And then we got the comment file, which is this is having all the comments which are made inside this video. This is a CSV file. If you want to convert this to a table, this is the table here. If I show you the table, you will see all the comments which are made here on this video is scratched here, and it is converted to a HTML table. And now you can see all the comments which are made in a HTML file. So this much of step we will be building in this tutorial. We will try to scrape using Selenium, using Python. So this is a script here. So let's start building this application from scratch. And for this, let me close all the browser here. And if you want to get all the source code regarding this video, I have given the link in the video description. You will see this is my blog post. So if you go to my blog post, you will find the link in the video description. So two people are watching the stream. So guys, in this stream, we are building a YouTube bot which will extract the title, views, channel name, subscribers, comments, and it will save this inside the CSV and HTML table. So this is actual script. The link will be there inside video description. So you will see it will scrape it inside this HTML table. And this is our title, views, date, channel name, subscribers, and description. So the link will be there inside video description. So let me start the application. So first of all, we will make a new directory here, which will be YouTube bot. I will cd into this bot. And the very first thing you need to do is you need to install Selenium, which will be simply and pip install Selenium. And also you need to install Pandas, which is Pandas. So install these two dependencies. I have already installed it. So now you just need to open this inside the Visual Studio Code text editor. So right here we will make our app.py file. That's it. And now we need to start writing the code here, which will be required for us. So first of all, we will be importing Selenium, which we have installed here. From Selenium, we need to import the WebDriver dependency. And then we also need to import from selenium.common. We need to import everything. So just write from selenium.common import exceptions. So after this, we just need to write this application. So right here at the bottom, we will be expecting a URL from the user. So right here, we will say if name is equal to main. So in that scenario, we need to call a function which will actually scrape the details for us. So we will be calling this system.argv. Sorry, this needs to be sys.arg. So we are getting this from the system on the command line. So for this, you need to import the system module at the very top. So system. So now we need to define this function here at the very top. So here this is a function which will be actually scraping the details from YouTube video. So first of all, what we need the title, we need the description, all the stuff we need. So first of all, we will define this function define scrape, and we will get the URL like this. So inside this, first of all, what we need to do is that we need to initialize the driver, which will be the Selenium driver. For every browser, there is a driver out there. So I am running this on Google Chrome, so I will require the Chrome driver. So if you are using Firefox, you have another driver for you. You can download that driver. So here we need to provide the location. So right here in the root directory, I need to copy paste the driver. So you can get your driver very simply. Most of the people use Google Chrome. So in that case, you can say, what is my browser? Simply go, just write this and it will tell you the browser number which you are using here. So I'm using Chrome 98. So I will simply say Chrome driver download. Simply write this and the very first link which comes in, simply go to it and choose your version number. I will select Chrome driver 98, and then I'm running this on Windows, so I will select Windows here, you can select Mac, Linux. So this will have this zip file for me. So I will open this. So inside this you will find your file here, which is let me copy this file or move these files to this folder. Let me move it to my YouTube bot folder. So I will just copy it. So now I will have this Chrome driver.exe file, which is necessary for this project. So simply download accordingly according to your browser version. So after this, I will provide the location Chrome driver.exe, as this is there inside the same directory. After this, we can launch it driver.get. This will open the URL in the browser automatically, and we can maximize the window as well. There is also a minimize window, maximize window option. So I will maximize the window. And then if you want to sleep, then we have a time module which is having this sleep method, which here you can pass the number of seconds. So for this we can import time module. So basically now if you run this, if you provide a URL of the video, let's suppose I provide this video, click enter. So now you will see it will open the browser and it will open this video. So it will wait for 5 seconds and then it will close automatically. So you will see now it has closed automatically. So it has waited 5 seconds. So that's exactly what we want. After that, what we need to do is that we need to surround this inside try catch block. So this will be try. Indentation is very much important in Python. So make sure that you indent your code properly. So here we will give a title variable. So one comment is there. So machine learning padhai se scratch se. Definitely I will make videos on machine learning as well. So in this video, we are taking the help of automating. We are scratching the YouTube details of the particular video using Selenium module. So definitely you will enjoy this video as well. So we can get the title of the video by using driver dot. So inside Selenium, there is a method out there which finds elements by its XPath. So if I just so try catch always has a catch block also. That's why it is creating a problem. So right here, if you just see, let me write a except here also. So this will be except, and then we will say exceptions dot, and there are various kinds of exceptions. So which is no such element exception. That's it. So right here, guys, we will first of all get our title of the video. So in order to get the title, we are using this XPath. So if you know web scraping, you will know what I'm talking about. So every element inside the web page has its own XPath selector, all the stuff. So basically, if I just select this and go to inspect element, so it will definitely show you the this element which I'm targeting here. You will see. So in order to find the XPath, so right click this element and simply go to copy, and then you need to copy this XPath value here. Simply copy it and paste it here. So whatever value it gives you, this is your title. So there is a text property also to get the text which is there inside this tag. That's it. So after getting this, we can print this information. So right here, so it is saying that, let me just indent this properly. Indentation is quite error in Python. Let me see. So indentation error is coming. Let me see here if condition needs to be. Let me see, guys. The indentation error is coming here. Let me solve this. So three people are watching the stream, guys. So in this live stream, we are building a YouTube scraper which will actually scrape the title, number of description, the subscribers, all that stuff. If you haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button. And let me just paste this now, just for the scraping purpose. Let me just solve this problem. Paste it. And now let me so if I print here something, hi, so this error will gone. Oh, sorry, that error was coming because I haven't written something. So let me change it to there. So when we just get our XPath, so now you can see we can print out the title here, which will be, if I want to print the title, so I will simply say title of video, and this will be the title which I want to print. So simply I will say title. That's it. So now if I run this application, so basically if I go to the command line and run this, so basically automatically this will open this video and it will scrape the title and it will print a title on the screen of the YouTube video. So let me see. Title. 5 people are watching the stream, guys. So in this tutorial we are scraping it. We are scraping the YouTube video to print out information inside our Python script. I have shown you the full demo at the starting of the stream. So we will be storing this information inside our CSV file and HTML table as well. And let me see, try accept, and then we have driver dot find element dot. Let me print it right here. Print title. So let me remove this try catch block, guys, so that so if you launch this, guys, it will automatically open this. And now you can see that, guys, it is printing out. You can see that it has print out this title on the screen. You can see here what is AJAX and how it works. Short explanation tutorial for beginners. So in this way you can do it. And let me just paste once again. So right here after this exception is taken place, we can simply say sorry, here we will say print title of video, and here we will give some space, and then we will concatenate the title. So it is saying, let me see. So I am just live coding, guys. So error will take place. So just give me some time to rectify the error as well. I am not writing code by copy pasting it. So it is there. Let me see if, yeah, think I think an indentation error has taken place. So let me see if you just see here, print title. So if you go to the video description link, this is the correct code. Let me see why. This is the one reason that I hate Python, because its syntax is so difficult to write. Sometimes it cannot be understood. So you can see this is the try catch block, and inside this we are taking the title, we are comment, we are views, date, all this stuff. Inside exception, let me just copy paste it. Let me copy paste it. So, so, so three people are watching the stream, guys. So let me don't write this try catch because it is creating problem. So in this video we are creating a project inside which we are scraping the YouTube video details such as title, description, subscribers, number of likes, number of comments. So we will be storing this inside a CSV file, and then we will converting to a HTML table. So to first of all, in order to get the title, we have used this method which is driver.element.xpath. And here you can give your XPath in single quotes. So every element on a web page has this XPath here. If you inspect element, you will go to this the actual element you are targeting. So right click, and then you will copy its XPath. You will see this is the XPath that you will need. Simply copy this and paste it, and then it will give you the text value. Simply write this. This is a title. Now we will do the same thing for our this views thing as well. So how many views have been got on this video? I will just see this and simply inspect element, and I will go to the elements tab, and simply I will right click it. So this is the actual views thing. Again we will copy XPath, and we will create a new variable views, and inside this driver dot find element by XPath, in single quotes, again paste it, and then again text will be returned to us. So basically if I print out this information, so we will simply say title of video, then we will concatenate the title, and then we will say views of video, and then we will simply concatenate the views. So simply if I launch this application in the command line, so if I launch this now, you will see now this will, you will see title of the video. This is title of video is this. Number of views, you can see views of video is 185,842 views. So we are successfully extracting all this information from the YouTube using Selenium. This is very awesome library. So in the similar manner, we can extract more information. Similarly, there are more information which are there on this page. You can extract this channel name as well. So if you want to extract the channel name, simply inspect element and go to an elements tab here, and simply this will come here. Simply right click and then copy XPath, and then channel name driver find XPath, and inside single quotes paste it, and then text. That's it. And then we can also get the subscribers. Simply have subscribers driver dot find XPath, find element by XPath. So inside this subscribers, guys, you can even click the subscribers, how many subscribers are there of that channel. Simply click this and go to inspect element, and again you will go to this value. Simply right click it. You will see 20.5 subscribers are there. Copy the XPath value. That's it. This is exactly what you want. So paste it, dot text. So now we will simply say print channel name is, then we will concatenate the channel name, and then we will say subscribers, and then we will also concatenate the subscribers which are there. You can see now once again, if I launch this application, you will see it will open this YouTube video, and it will extract this five information, which is title, subscribers, channel name, and date published. You will see views. Channel name is Coding Shiksha. Subscribers are 20,500 subscribers. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Abdul is saying for big fans, so thanks so much, Abdul, for appreciating. And we can also get the published date of the YouTube video. Simply we will get all this information. So this is the published date. You will again click this, go to inspect element, and simply repeat the same process that I initialize you to. Simply right click. For each and every element there is a XPath. So right click, copy XPath, and then you will declare a new variable which is published date, and this will be driver dot find XPath. Inside single quotes, just paste it, and then you will get your text variable. That's it. So this will be published date, text, and then we will say published date. So now once again, if you run this, all this information will be returned here. If I open this here, you will see that it will open this, wait for 5 seconds, and then it will return this information for me. Published date August 26, 2017. So in this way, guys, you can get this information. Now we can save this information inside our CSV file. Save this information. If you want to save this info inside CSV file, this is very much important because you need to save this in a file so that you can access later on. So for saving it is very easy. We have a built-in method with the Python, and then we will say with input output dot open. And for these saving the file, guys, we need to import some modules here at the very top. We need the CSV module. We need a another module which is input output. So import this, and also we will need the pandas library. So import pandas as PD. That's it. Import pandas as PD. And also one other dependency we will need is, guys, which will be from grpc. We need to import channel. That's it. This is all what we need inside this application. So right here, input output open, we will open a new file, new CSV file. We will want to uh, save it inside our machine. So we can name this anything. I will name it basicinfo.csv, and then I will provide the second flag here, which will be write flag, because we are writing the file. And then what we want to do is that we will have put a comma here. The third argument will be new line. So new line will be nothing. The value will be nothing here. Put a comma. And we will provide the encoding of the file, which will be, in this case, will be UTF-16. So this of stuff you need to write for saving the CSV file. And then we will simply we will say that we will save this file as, we will call this as file. That's it. Put a colon, and then we will say writer is equal to, and we will use the CSV module, and it contains writer method, and inside this we will pass the delimiter, which is file.delimiter, and this is equal to comma, because in CSV file you will see delimiter is obviously is comma. Sorry, this needs to be comma, because we are passing the actual file here, which is, you can see that this is a file, we are saving it, so we are passing it as the first argument. Then we are providing the delimiter, which is comma, and then we have the third argument, which is called as, I think, is quoting. So you can give any value here, quoting here. If you see here, this is the argument c quoting, and this will be equal to csv dot quote. CSV quoting is equal to CSV quote all. These are the options which are available: quote all, quote minimal, quote none. So I will provide quote all. First I will show you this option, then I will show you the rest of the options. So now if you need to write the row, so we will simply say there is a method out there which is lets you write the row for us. So it will be writer dot write row, and inside this we will pass the information, which will be the columns, which will be, first will be the title of the video, and put a comma. Then we will have our number of views, and then we will got our date, publish date. After that we will have our channel name. After that we will have the subscribers. So if you see, we will have the subscribers, and again put a this one. So basically we haven't get the description. So in order to see the description, we will again create another variable here, which will actually get the description for us. So simply we will say description. So driver dot, once again we will use the same method. So the description, if you see the description of a particular video right here inside YouTube, this is the actual description which here's after this here, this portion. So we will inspect this element, and simply I will, so this is the actual element. I will simply copy its full XPath and paste it here. Let me see, copy XPath. So let me copy it. and we will extract the text here like this. So now if I print out the description also of the channel, so here we will simply say print description. So we will concatenate the description here like this. So once again, if I run this application, so now it will open this video, and basically uh, it hasn't given me the description. So I have the correct code. Let me check here which selector I have used here. So if you are watching the stream for the very first time, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. So let me see which I think we have given this. So let me paste it here. This is the actual selector which I have given here in order for the description. Let me paste it and once again run this command here. Let me run this command. So you will see that it will open the video, and so you can see this is the description it is showing us. We can see all this description, what is AJAX, how it works, coding Shiksha, what is all this description is shown to me. So now we can create a new column here which is for the description, which is description. So after this, after inside new line, we will again write a new row which is writer dot write row, and inside this we will pass our information. First will be the title, put a comma, and then we will have our views, then we have our publish date, then we have our channel name, then we have our subscribers, then we have our description. That's it. So we have written this row here. After that, the CSV file will get created right here at the left hand side. So just wait. After it has created, you will see. Let me delete this and rerun the script here. So if you rerun the script here, just notice that at the left hand side this file will be created, which is basicinfo.csv. So now you can see basicinfo.csv file will be created. If you see here this file, this will be title is, you can see this is a title, number of views, date, channel name, subscribers, description. So all this information is scraped inside this CSV file, and you can see that now we are simply saving this information inside a CSV file. We can even convert this to a table as well. Simply we will now convert this to a HTML table so that we can access it inside the browser. So there is a method out there in Pandas, so which lets you do this. First of all, we will read the file CSV. So Pandas have a variable. Saransh is saying hello. Saransh, in this video we are building a YouTube scraper which lets you scrape the title of the video, description, subscriber, and we will be saving it inside CSV and HTML file. So here we are using the read CSV method to read this CSV file which is created right now. You can see basic info. We will pass the name basic info dot csv. Then we, in the second argument, we will provide the encoding. So the encoding is UTF-16, which we have used here inside this file. So after this, we will just say we need to convert this to a HTML table. So convert to HTML table. So in order to convert this, we have a method inside pandas, which is a2 underscore HTML, which here you can give your table name. Let's suppose I give the same name, basic info dot html. That's it. So now if I run this application in the command line, so it will open the YouTube video automatically. It will scrape all the details. So YouTube scraper, definitely yes. It is kind of this is nice. So first of all, like it. And now if I show you the left hand side, you will see this is the basic info.csv file. It has got all the description here, which is title. This is the title of the video, number of views. Let me show you. This is the number of views, publish date, channel name, number of subscribers. All this information is scraped here. You can see. And now if I show you the table, HTML table. So this is the table which has created automatically. If I open this with the browser, so this is the actual, you can see title of the video. What is AJAX? Number of views, date, channel name, subscribers, and this is the description which has got here. So in this way, you can scrape all this information in a table using Python script, using Selenium, and you can see that. You can take any video of the example. Just when you call the script, simply copy paste the URL for which you need to run the script. So right here, when you put Python, name of the file is app.py, then paste the link of the video. Let me take another video for example. Let me take this time some other video which is popular on my channel. So if I write coding Shiksha, go to it. So if I take any sort of video of my channel, let me take popular videos. Let me take this video, log in with the Google account, JavaScript. And when I paste this link here like this, so now this will open this video here. You will see that. And basically it will scroll down automatically on its own. So now you can see it has created another table here. So you will see login with Google account using JavaScript, 106,000 views, August 11, 2017, coding Shiksha. Basically, you can just use this script and make convert this to online tools. You can just provide information about each video, and you can place advertisements and also earn money. So in the market, not many YouTube tools are there, so you can use the script. The link will be there inside video description. And now we will scrape all the comments which are there inside the video. So we will try to scrape all the comments which are there in a particular video. So now to scrape all the comments, it is very much easy. So let me show you how it is done. So in order to scrape the comments, what we need to do is that, let me show you how it is done. So I have given the link in the video description of the code which is required here. So let me see. So for the comments, this is something complicated. I have written this, so let me see. So right here after this, after we extract all this information, now we will move to the scraping of comments. So now we will scrape all the comments which are there inside the YouTube video. So for doing this, you need to automatically scroll down. So for scrolling down, there is a method inside Selenium which is driver.execute method. Execute method is there. Execute script. This is a method we will use, and inside this we will pass this static text here which is arguments, and then we will pass this square brackets 0 dot into view. This is the method. So this followed by parentheses and put a semicolon. So basically it will scroll down, and here we need to put a comma here, and we will declare a variable which is called as comment underscore section. So first of all, we need to get the comment section. So once again, we can just define this comment section right here, comment section. So we can again target it find by XPath. So here we can copy paste the XPath of the comment widget, which are there in single quotes. So once again, we will go to the YouTube video, whichever comments you want to scrape out. So here inside this, there is a selector out there. Let me write it by my own. So the XPath is simply slash slash, and which is this sign, star sign. After this, we have this square brackets. Inside this, you need to write at the rate ID is equal to, and this is equal to comments. I think this is there inside double quotes. So this is double quotes. So this is our XPath. We have got the reference to the comment section, and there we are just scrolling down to it. After scrolling down to it, what we need to do is that we need to have a sleep for 7 seconds. So time.sleep and 7. So this is inside seconds here. After sleeping for 7 seconds, we will now declare a variable which is last height. So again, we will use the same method to scroll down for execute script. For scraping comments, it is little bit complicated. So that is why I'm writing the code step by step. So inside this, you will say return document, and this will be document element, and this will be scroll height. That's it. After doing this, we can simply say we can have a while loop, while true. So in this scenario, we need to driver dot execute script. So W needs to be small here. So that is why it was creating the problem. So again, we need to scroll window dot scroll to. This is the method here, window scroll to, and here we will scroll up to 0 comma document. This is the same thing you need to copy paste. Window dot scroll to, sorry, this needs to be in double quotes. So that's it, guys. This is all that you need to write. So again, put a parentheses here and put a semicolon. So after this, after you do this, we need to sleep for 2 seconds. So time dot sleep 2. After sleeping for 2 seconds, we will calculate the new height, new underscore height. And again, we will execute the same method, which will be uh, return document. So this method we again need to execute this line. Me copy paste this line here and paste it here. So now we will compare if the previous height is equal to the last height. So here we will say if new height is equal to the last height. So in that case, we will break out of the loop, break it. If it is not the case, then we mean that we have more comments. So we will once again repeat the process. So we will just outside this loop, we will make last height equal to the new height. That's it. This is a logic. So this is all your while loop, which is there. You can see it is happening inside while loop. And now coming outside the while loop, this is outside. This is outside the while loop. So we here once again we will write this same line to load to scroll down even more like this. Just paste this line. So this is outside the loop, outside the while loop. That's it. So this logic that I have written right here inside this while loop, this is responsible for automatically scrolling down to the comments. So how much comments are there, it will automatically scroll down. I don't need to scroll down on my own. So after doing this, uh, we can get the right here. After getting this, we can, let me copy paste it inside my blog post I have written here. After you have this, you will get your username and comment. So this will contain multiple elements. So you will see find elements by XPath. So here we are finding multiple elements instead of one. So you will see here we are finding one element, but here we are finding multiple elements by their respective as XPath. So you can see that we are getting the username, comment like this, storing it inside this. So after this, we can use our this method once again to store these comments inside a CSV file. So right here, after this, we will paste this code. You will see now this will make sure it will store this inside a CSV file which is named as comments.csv. And once again, we are writing two columns here, which is username and comment. And we are using the for loop to get the text value of each element, which is username.text and comment.text. So this is again this logic, and after that we can convert this to a table as well. So if you want to convert this to a table, once again use the pandas library and paste it. So basically it will read this comments.csv, it will convert this to comments.html file. So now if you run this application, it will now open this video and now it will automatically scroll down. You will see it is scrolling down here automatically. I am not doing anything. So you can see all these comments scraped here, and also it is converted into HTML file as well. So if I open this, you will see these are the comments, username and the actual comment. And this is a basic information which is scraped here. You will see title, views, date, channel name, subscribers. So in this way, you can scrape this information using Python Selenium. So all the source code regarding this application will be there inside video description. You can see this is the blog post I have written. So just download all the source code by going to the video description link. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next stream.